Alright, good day viewers. What we have on the board is biochemistry, introduction to biochemistry. So welcome to FD Sciences, the home of scientific knowledge. Feel free to subscribe, like and share our videos. So what we'll study today is a very simple topic, a simple aspect of biochemistry. And if you look at the board, we'll be studying enzymes. Now, what is an enzyme? An enzyme, some say they are proteins, but enzymes are catalysts that accelerate or speeds up biochemical reactions in living cells, in living organisms. So when you're asked in your exams to define enzymes, you know that there are proteins that they act as catalysts. They act as catalysts. And you will know what catalysts are. They speed up, they bring about speed in chemical reactions. So enzymes are proteins that act as catalysts that accelerate or speeds up biochemical reactions in living cells. You know, most metabolic reactions, they need enzymes. Metabolic reactions need enzymes. Metabolic pathways, they need enzymes. And these enzymes act on substrates. They act on substrates to bring about a defined product. There's hardly any metabolic reaction that doesn't need enzymes. They need enzymes to achieve a definite product. So after the discovery of enzymes a long time ago, it was necessary to give them names and classify them so that they can be easily identified. And in order to give them a defined nomenclature and classifications, there are things that we can use to classify these enzymes. The first is the name of substrate. The name of substrate can be used to give a name to enzyme. The second is the nature of reactions that the enzymes undergo. The nature of reactions. And the third is both the substrate and the nature of reactions it catalyzes. Now I'm talking of the nature of substrate. So like I said earlier, for product to be formed, an enzyme must combine with substrate. And substrate are reactants that combines with enzymes to give a defined product. A defined product. Take for instance in the production of alcohol, amylase acts on carbohydrates to give out alcohol. The carbohydrate will act as the substrate. Now, substrates, take note, are reactants. They are reactants that combine with these enzymes. They combine with these enzymes to give rise to what? Product. Now, an enzyme that acts on lactose is lactase. Now, lactose is the substrate. So this lactase, the enzyme, acts on what? Lactose. So, for quick and steady identification of these enzymes, the name of substrate can be used to classify and give it name like lactose. Take for instance, in lactose now, you see that there is removal of OSE and addition of ASE. So, removal of OSE and addition of what? ASE. The same thing in urea, there is removal of A and addition of ASE. Then lipase, in lipids, the enzyme is lipase. So the name of substrate is what you can use in the classification of enzymes. So take note. Another thing we can consider in classifying enzymes is the nature of reactions it catalyzes, e.g. is dehydrogenase. Dehydrogenase are enzymes that remove, just as the name implies, dehydrogenase. There are enzymes that remove hydrogen atoms from molecules. There are enzymes that remove hydrogen atoms from what? Molecules. So you see that this dehydrogenase is classified due to the nature of reaction it undergoes. The next one is hydrogenase. Hydrogenase are enzymes that removes hydrogenase. They add hydrogen to molecules. Another one is the decarboxylase. These are enzymes that remove carboxyl atoms. They remove carboxyl atoms from what? From molecules. They remove carboxyl atoms from what? From molecules. In the nomenclature and classification of enzymes, another thing we can consider in giving them names for quick identification and for easy identification is both the substrate and the nature of reaction it catalyzes. Take note of this. These are serious exam questions. And when you are able to answer it very well, it will earn you much marks. Example of this is alcohol dehydrogenase. Alcohol dehydrogenase. These are enzymes that remove hydrogen. They remove hydrogen from alcohols. They remove hydrogen from what? Alcohol. Next one is pyruvate decarboxylase. Pyruvate decarboxylase. These are enzymes that remove carboxylic atoms from pyruvic acid. They remove carboxylic atoms from pyruvic acid. So we've known the definition of enzymes, that they are proteins that act as catalysts that speed ups biochemical reactions. They are proteins. I remember that I said that it is hardly to see a metabolic pathway that doesn't require the activities of enzymes. And in the nomenclature of enzymes, there are things to consider: the name of substrate, while classifying them, the nature of the reactions they undergo, and both the substrate and the nature of reactions they undergo. So, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. I'd like you to subscribe, like, and share our videos. In our next class, we'll be looking at the classes, the 6 broad classes of enzymes and the examples under it. So we'll be uploading more videos. Thank you so much.